So welcome to Next Money application. This is our interface of Next Money application.
Yeah.
So what I have achieved till date is I can show you my complete report, total earning.
Yeah.
So what I'm doing, I'm just trying to mute you because there's some background voices are coming.
Okay.
If you
Okay,
have
bro.
any question after this session, you can
Yeah.
raise hand or you can type in this session chat option in more option. Okay. So this is my wallet. You can see that there is a total earning of 5,17,433. Okay, and major earning is coming after the March month when I started this full time. So major earning uh, around 4 lakhs 50,000, around 4 lakhs 50,000 is coming after this 6 months. Within 6 months, 4 lakh around 47,698. So you have seen this. Now I'm going to show you my team size. It's taking time because there is a lot of team. So server has to pick up complete data from this server. See, so total team size is, you can see here, here you can see complete figures. Oops. So 62,527 total downloads. Out of that, 10,047 people have already Prime member are already accepted, and 52,480 still just watching, and they will become soon Prime members. So my achievement is, you can see that up to 39 levels team has been reached. Now from this application, this is the end application interface. This is basically application just like Paytm, and you can you can do recharge from this place, or I have a security pin. So first of all, I will put my security pin and share the screen again. So this is a small demo. First of all, I'm giving you before giving you the complete business plan, so that you must be aware of the what are the services we are providing and what are the benefits and what kind of incomes you can take from this and how easy it is, because it is not like other product portfolio or other product based companies. Out of 376 companies, only one company is there in India who is into service sector. Now it's growing very fast. So you can see mobile recharges. We can do mobile recharges, DTH, data card recharges, voucher you can create from here. Okay. Now bills, your bills can be submitted. Electricity bill, water bills, landline, insurance, water, broadband, metro recharge you can do from here. Then there is a booking. You can do your bus booking, flight booking, hotels, amusement park. Even you can book your water parks from here, from which are in Goa, Chennai, Bangalore water park. See Bangalore, day outing at Park Hotel and Resort at Bangalore, Mumbai, Hyderabad, Goa, Mumbai, Goa, Delhi, Agra, Mumbai, Lonavala. So many water parks are there where you can book it from here only. Cruise tour, you can book your cruise from here. Okay, Spy Farm in Goa. So there's a lot of places you can book your flight ticket from here. Suppose you have to go from Chennai, or Kochi to Kolkata. See, there are so many flights you can filter or price. So Indigo is the cheapest one. In this way, you can book the flights. Suppose I am booking this one. See, 73 rupees has been discounted or from the reward points. So what is the reward points and all this thing I will explain you in this business plan, business opportunity. Similarly, we have next shopping where it is just like e-commerce, other e-commerce portals where you can shop according to your needs. It's not a compulsion to buy something to start this business, but it is just like that, and you can shop according to your needs. Some appliances is required or some bag if you want some bags, so you can buy your laptop bags from here. It's just like Amazon Flipkart portal. So let's come back to our presentations. How we can start this business, Next Money business, and what are the USP of this business, how it is different from other business models, and how we can grow fast in this business. So Next Money business plan, innovative way of earning. So I request you again to not to pick the calls during this web meeting. Otherwise, your audio settings will get disturbed and you might not hear my voice. So this is a revolution in the direct selling industry, Next Money, and I would like to welcome you all in the award-winning companies, in the first company in the network marketing service sector, who is the promoter of the company, NextGen Inventive Information Technology Private Limited, and the CMD sir name is Mr. Abhishek Kumar Burman. Okay, he is the youngest CMD of India. You can search it online on the Google. When you will type the youngest CMD of India, you will find a name, Mr. Abhishek Kumar Burman. So Next Money is a complete business application, just like other service providing applications, aggregators, because today there is a trend of companies which are providing services, like we have seen Zomato, Swiggy. So these companies are not having their own hotels, but someone is cooking, someone is preparing meals, someone is ordering, and Zomato and Swiggy are enjoying. They are earning big money. Similarly, Oyo is not having any own property. They are not owning any hotels, but they are having tie-up with millions of hotels now on all over the world, and someone is booking the hotel. Someone is has already owned the property of crores, but big money is being created by Oyo. Similarly, Ola, Uber, they are not owning any. Initially, they were not owning any cars, but nowadays they are owning. But initially, they have started without zero cars. They were not having any cars, but they started this booking system, cab booking system, and they initially come with the manual system, but now they are fully automated. Now you can see that how much big money they are making. Similarly, Next Money is giving the services at a single platform, single point of single application. You will one-stop solution for all your everyday needs. So Next Money provides you, it's a one-stop solution to your everyday needs. Basically, you are getting all your services required here and at a one single application. Next Money. Next Shopping, a unique e-commerce platform which I will explain you in this presentation later. Next Money Merchant, Next Shopee. So this is an award-winning company with a good profile. You can see here Rajiv Gandhi Global Excellence Award 2019. I'm zooming this screen. You can see here it is being received by Mr. Abhishek Kumar Burman, sir, for the service industry. The Hotel Ashoka Banquet Hall in Chanakyapuri, New Delhi. Best mobile service provider award. You can see here in the 15th March 2019, this has been received by our CMD sir. E-commerce award, Bangkok award, Best Emerging Company of the Year award, Best Innovative Startup of the Year 2017, Pune's Best Company award for the app development, achieved Golden Leaf award and Digital Women award, Rajiv Gandhi Shiromani award, Certificate of Vigilance and Certificate of Nomination with 5,000 Best MSME Award 2018. So you can see so many awards and certifications. Now, government has also approved our project Next Money and Next Gen Inventive Information Technology Private Limited has been included in the list of the direct selling entities. You can see the list online, direct selling entities list on. You can type it on Google. You will find the 263 number. On the 263 number, you can find Next Gen Inventive Information name, trademark, GST, incorporation certificate, PAN card, MSME certification. All these are available. So basically, Next Money is an e-wallet, e-commerce and earning opportunity e-learning platform where you are getting an opportunity to do the business. You can promote this business. You can add your business. If you are having your own products, you can list them on Next Money application on the merchant through merchant portfolio, and you are getting a good opportunity to promote this business and to earn lakhs and crores of rupees. Whereas other platforms, similar platforms like e-wallets, Paytm, MobiKwik, Free Recharge, Oxygen wallets are giving you opportunity to transfer the money, but they are not giving you any platform to do the business, to earn, make money, because these opportunities are with the investors. But here, as a Next Money is giving you a facility of nomination also, where you can transfer the business, to your family members. So here we are having nomination facility also. Uh, I request Murshidhar ji to please switch off the camera, because um, okay. So next in this business opportunity, our vision of the company is to become the open wallet. Like currently we are closed wallet, and there are certain rules and regulation applied from the RBI to become the open wallet. When we will gain this, when we will earn this net worth through the network, then we will become open wallet. Number one entrepreneurship development platform number one, e-commerce business platform number one, B2B platform, and Digitalize India. Axis Bank has also given us award for zero cash transaction in the year 2017 and 18. So making India digital India and healthy, and Startup India is supporting us. Mission of the company is to digital India, healthy India, and wealthy India. So these are all the mission around which we our companies all business model is moving. So next money, what are the next money unique points which make it different from other network marketing company? It is the number one service sector company in the network marketing, e-wallet, e-commerce, network marketing, a unique business model combination. That's why its acceptance among the network marketing leaders is 100%. And no product buying compulsion, no product buying compulsion to start the business, because in other companies you have to buy some product, some service, some you have to buy some product, whether it is your use or not. So here it is not compulsion. There is no compulsion to buy any product or repurchase every month to continue with this business. Instant payment in bank, and whatever services I'm going to share you in the next slides, you can recommend those services and you will get instant payment in your wallet and you can transfer it instantly in your bank. Simple B2B model can increase the independent earner throughout India and future abroad also. What are the process to start the business? Download and sign up free of cost. Now there is a free application which you have already downloaded from Play Store or from the referral link you have received from your friend. So you have already downloaded and sign up. When you will sign up free of cost, you will receive 50 reward points in your wallet. Okay, so there is an option and there is a plus sign where when you will click on the home screen plus sign, you will go to reward points. Reward points, you will find your 50 reward points. These reward points can be used and can be adjusted while you are paying your uh, prepaid recharges. You are paying your utilities bill, you are shopping, some online shopping, you are booking movies. You can adjust these reward points, and you will, this is not the only reward points. Whenever you are going to share this application free of cost to your friends, then he will sign up, then he will also receive 50 reward points and you will also receive 50 reward points, and its worth is equal to in INR, one reward points equal to 1 INR, but it cannot be transferred to bank. We cannot transfer reward points to bank. But to use these reward points once in a life, you have to upgrade your application with Prime membership. So Prime membership, you have to click here on this. When you will open your app, there is a button upgrade. You can upgrade your application with Prime membership by paying only 1500 plus 270, 1770 once in your life to the application. Okay, so there is a payment system in the application itself. You need not to handle the cash. Just you have to complete your KYC, PAN card, Aadhaar, nominee name, nominee age, nominee relation, and PIN code. These are the documents which are required for the completing your KYC. Then you have to pay that. Now, what you are getting when you are becoming a Prime member, you are getting a lifetime service of guaranteed cashback. A guaranteed cashback on each and every service and product you are going to use from this, and it is a guaranteed thing. It is not an offer that for some time you will get, or and after some time you will not get. On a certain product you will get, and on the other products you will not get. It's not like that. You will going certainly you are going to get this lifetime service of guaranteed cashback with no terms condition and no expiry. And in addition to it, you will get 1500 reward points as a gift. So main thing is what you are getting is guaranteed cashback and 1500 reward points as a gift. Now where you can use these services and from where you will save money is, first of all, your recharges. So I'm one by one I'm covering. When you will recharge from Next Money, whether it's your Tata, Airtel, Jio, you will able to adjust 1% reward points and you will get a 2% cashback. Suppose you have done a 500 rupees recharge, 5 rupees it will get adjusted from a reward point, and 10 rupees you will get as a cashback. So cashback amount can be used 100% next time whenever you are doing some service or you are purchasing some product from Next Money portal or through Next Money portal, via Next Money portal, you are going on Flipkart, Amazon. So here you are not going to use any reward points, but you are going to get up to 10% cashback. And on Next Shopping, you are going to utilize your 70% of the reward points. You can adjust your reward points, and you will get 20% up to 20% cashback. Similarly, I have shown you like on bus, flight, hotels, you will able to you adjust your reward points and you will get 10% up to 10% cashback. And these all cashbacks and reward points will be used on guaranteed cashback service basis. Whenever you are going to upgrade your uh, Prime membership, you are going to get this invoice also, where you will not able to utilize or adjust your reward points. Are there are certain services like electricity bill, gas bill, postpaid bill, landline, metro recharge. Hey, these are the services where uh, your reward points will not get adjusted and there will be no cashback. But whenever you are going to pay your electricity or gas bill through the Next Money application, you are going to get in reward some discount points. 25% of the amount you have paid. Like suppose you have paid 1,000 rupees electricity bill, then in your discount points, 25% of the discount points will get adjusted of the value. Then it means 250 reward points will be added in your wallet. Now, what are the payouts of the company? This, if this is a service and I ask you that by referring or by recommending this service of saving, so many people are going to save money. So if you are going to refer this thing to some people, you are certainly going to get a very good amount of earning. And through this, our online supporting system, you are right now are listening to our online supporting system. So you will be able to deliver and you will able to pass on the things. You will able to share this planning through this webinar system to millions of people in your city, out of your city, all over India, all over world. But nationality should be Indian. So India person who is having currently PAN card or some address proof of India can join this business easily, and they can watch this complete plan presentation online also. I will share the recording of this session also with you people. So now you have understood that after paying 1770, one can save his 10,000, 12,000, 20,000 rupees as per his expenses from this Next Money portal. And whenever you are going to share this application to somebody, you are going to make some good money, which is our referral program. So just you have to share this on WhatsApp, Facebook about this application. No need to share the referral link. Referral link should be shared to the person who shows the interest. Now refer and earn more money easily. Now whenever direct persons who've been referred by you upgrade their Prime membership with 1,500 rupees, you will get a profit of 20% margin. 20% profit you will get as a direct sponsor. So when 5 people, this is not the system of referring 5. You can refer as many as people as you want, but we will take an example of 5 people so that I will be able to show you that how much income you can make within 10 level referral income. So this is your first level income, and you can transfer this income instantly whenever it is coming to you. If you are having only 500 also in your wallet, Next Money wallet, you can transfer it to your bank. So minimum 500 rupees is required to transfer in the bank, and for IMPS minimum 1,000 rupees is, for NEFT 1,000 rupees is required. Now the people you have referred, they will also refer, because they are also coming for doing business and to earn more money. So they will also refer five people, and they will also make similar kind of money like you have made. But on the second level, this is your second level. If your direct people are referring some people, so this is your second level, and from second level you are going to you are going to earn only 2% out of 100%. 2% of 1500, that is 30 rupees from each person. So if 25% are joining the system and 30 rupees from each, you will get 750. So don't get disappointed here, because there could be as many as people on the second level, but this duplication will go up to 10 level. Now if you imagine that one person having the complete support from this kind of webinars and trainings of this application through online systems, he or she can refer only 5 people in complete month. Is it easy or it is difficult? So I would like to I would like to hear the answers from you people. So I'm just giving you the rights to unmute yourself. So people who are not hearing my voice can simply, like Shri Ramji is not able to hear me. So just I want to say that please click on, I would like to message everybody here. Click on audio button and do a check of this. Click on this call via device audio. So I would like to request Gulab Chand ji. गुलाब चंद जी प्लीज श्री राम जी को गाइड कर दीजिए. श्री राम जी और गैलेक्सी J6 करके आए हैं, उनको भी गाइड कर दीजिए कि वो इस तरह से उस पर क्लिक करें कॉल वाया डिवाइस ऑडियो पे. सो राजा मिश्रा जी एंड रघुनाथ गोपीनाथ जी, आर यू एबल टू हियर मी? आई एम अनम्यूटिंग यू. Gopinath ji, are you able to hear me? Raja Mishra ji. Gopinath ji, are you able to hear me?
Yeah. I can able to hear you, sir.
Okay, so I just asking you that Shri Ram ji, you can ask Shri Ram ji to click on audio button and then call via device audio. And I just want to answer, sir, just answer this question. If we ask somebody in a complete month to share this presentation through this kind of webinars, so one can easily share to 5 people or not?
It is definitely, it is very, very easy.
Okay. So if we are expecting that if every person is going to share this, so 5 people will refer 5, it will become 25 people team, and 25 people will take complete month to share 5 people, and the team size will become 125. If similar duplication, this is the power of duplication, it's not my power or your power, it's the power of duplication. Then what will happen in 10 level? I am going to share you a table in the form of table, that in the third level you are going to get 3% of 1545 rupees per ID on the fourth level. So just want to confirm that level is clear to you, Gopinath ji?
Yeah, it's correct, sir. I can see.
Okay, so level is like you have joined me. I have been sponsored by you, and I have sponsored somebody. So my Mohit friend is I have recommended this business to him. So Mohit is your second level, and if Mohit has referred to some Rajesh, so Rajesh will become your third level. Okay, so I think this is clear to you. So now coming back to the presentation. So on the 6th level, you are getting 6% of 1500, that is 90 rupees. On the 7th level, you are getting 7% of 1500, that is 105. On the 8th level, you are getting 8% of 1500, that is 120. 9th level, 9% of 1500, that is 135. And 10th level, 10% of 1500, that is 150. So total 1110 rupees has been distributed till 10th level. Okay. Now, if we are expecting that only 5 people will be duplicated from one person, and 5% will refer 5 in 1 month, so 25 people team will become 125 people, and 125 team will become 625. And when you will multiply it from 60, when you will multiply this from 60, then what will happen? 60 multiplied by 625, 37,500. Okay. Similarly, 75 people will team will convert to into 75 into 3,125 will become 2,34,375. Similarly, we will add this all team size. It will become 1 crore 22 lakhs, and the income per level will be added. It will become 178 crore, 178 cr. So this is a very handsome income, very huge income, which is only possible with the help of proper learning, learn, teach, help, duplicate, proper training. It is happen. It can be achieved. But 100%, as we know, 100% success is not believed from everybody, is unbelievable. We expect that only if 10% is possible, so you can earn 17.8 crores, and if you expect only 1% is possible with you, then also you are going to earn 1.78 cr. Now coming to the next income, which is a repurchase income. When you have created a huge team size over here, now company says whatever cashback income your team is earning, the 25% of the cashback earned by the total 10 level team is distributed to all the 10 level senior partners every day. So there are so many ways where you can earn your cashback, your team will earn cashback. Now taking the example, these are some of our affiliate partners through which we will get cashback also. So now taking the example of Geo Recharge, if there is a team of 1 CR people and mobile recharge of 98, I'm taking a round figure of 100. So in every house there is two phone. Every home there is two phone, 100 rupees charge. So 200 rupees is a minimum recharge which is happening in each and every home. So cashback is on recharge, there is 2% cashback, means 200, 4% of 200 is 4 rupees. Now total team is of 1 crore, so total team cashback will become 4 crore rupees. 25% of the 4 crore is 1 crore, which will be distributed in the 10 level. Then you will receive 10 lakh rupees as level cashback just from mobile recharge. Income from just mobile recharge. So this, if this is possible, then can you imagine when when all people will buy from Flipkart, Amazon, Tata Sky, and next shopping, you can earn more than 10 crore rupees per month. Now I'm having a Excel file to explain this also. You can see in each and every home there is a possibility that they will buy some. So you can see this table. In this, in the first column, I have mentioned some levels, the 1 to 10 level. In second column, I have mentioned the amount of shopping they are doing, and minimum 2% cashback is there. So 2% cashback from Big Basket, 100 rupees, it will become 100 rupees, 2% cashback from 5 people to 97 lakhs, 525, 125. In this way, your total team will get cashback of this much amount. Now, when 25% is distributed in the 10 level, you are going to get this much of amount as a level income. So just I am putting it in the decimal 2 places. So here you can see 12 rupees 50 paise, from 12 rupees 50 paise to 2 crore 44 lakhs 14,062 rupees. The total it become more than 3 crore rupees. When, and I have calculated this, when someone is buying for only one time, and it is not possible that everybody will buy only one time from anywhere, from Flipkart, Amazon, from Big Basket, because food items is a primary requirement. So if you are creating team here, what you can achieve is this much amount. You can achieve 3 crore rupees from the merely from shopping of grocery items when you are going to create network with next money. Okay, so as a cashback, level cashback, you are going to get this much of money is a minimum amount. So there are so many ways to earn cashback and use complete cashback here also. On these services, you can use your complete cashback amount. It cannot be transferred to bank cashback amount, but you can utilize this 100%. You can pay your bills, gas bills, postpaid bills, landline, metro recharge, cab booking, flight booking, hotel booking, tour, foreign tour, buy next shopping products. Next shopping, there's a two portals. I will cover it later. And luxury cars, luxury house, and you can maintain a very good luxury life from this place, from this cashback amount, 100% guaranteed cashback income. So these all incomes I have shown you till now is was of the under 10 levels. But what about the incomes which are coming after 10 level? The people who are joining you after 10 level, how you will earn from them? So now I'm going to share you our royalty income after 10th level. When you have to complete a criteria of silver royalty. Silver royalty criteria means 5 direct people in your team, and in each and every level, one prime member is required. It can be in any lag, but one prime member is required in each and every level. Then you will become silver royalty achiever, and you will get 15 rupees from each and every ID which is coming after 10th level up to unlimited depth. Next is your leadership royalty. Leadership royalty, when you will become silver and your direct 5 people will complete five people, then you will get silver royalty, or sorry, leadership royalty, that is 10% of your team royalty income, team income. Help 5 to complete 5, and if you complete this within 30 days, you will also win a Goa trip, which I will show you, which I will explain you later. Now, next royalty is gold royalty. In gold royalty, you have to help 5 people to become in your direct silver royalty achievers. In this case, you will be able, you are going to get 30 rupees from each and every ID which is coming after 10th level up to unlimited depth. After this, there is a diamond royalty. To qualify for the diamond royalty, you have to help 5 people in your team within 10 level. Doesn't matter they are direct or indirect. Within 10 level, you have to help 5 people to achieve gold royalty in 5 lakhs, and now you will become diamond royalty achievers. You get 3% of 1545 rupees prime member. You will from each and every prime member which is coming after 10th level up to unlimited depth. Company royalty, and there is also a system of differential. I would like to explain it here only. When you become diamond, so from the leg, because there is a possibility that there will not only 5 legs, there can be multiple, like I have 70 legs, so people can have as many as like infinite number of legs. So from legs in which you have a gold person, so up to gold person, the distribution of money will be 30, because total 45 rupees will have to be distributed as a team royalty. So 30 rupees will be hold with gold royalty achiever person, and 15 rupees will transfer to you. But on a certain lag where there is no silver royalty achiever, there is no gold, but in that lag your team is going below 10 level, From there, you will get 45 rupees from each ID. Now, company royalty. Company royalty is a very good system in which you will get 1% of the company joining turnover from the complete joinings. So for this, achieving this, you have to create or help 5 people to become diamonds in your team in 5 different legs up to 10 level. There is a no target for to maintain the, there is no revenue target to maintain this royalty. Just you have to create a structure of 5, 25, 125, 625. 1% of the company joining turnover is distributed among all the crown diamonds. So this is very easy with the power of duplication and digital system. Royalties income will be calculated at 12 a.m. and it will be distributed after that, and you can transfer it into bank, IMPS, NEFT in the morning. 5% TDS, 5% admin deduction will be there. Now, promotion of the company. There is a contest which is running till 30th September 2019. Direct 15 prime members. You can qualify for the new residential training program contest. 2 days in 5-star resorts, pan India, wherever will be, it will be decided from the company side. Now, if you are a silver, already a silver, then you can achieve it by making other achieved in 3 lakhs up to 10 level. There is another possibility that you join 3 new people in your team and you help them to complete 5 direct joinings of them. Then also you create a team of 15 people and now you also achieve free entry passes. So direct 15 is a very simplest way to complete, and you can win free entry passes. Direct complete 15 prime members within 30. Now, second, you can win mega bonanza 30 days, 5 complete 5, and there you complete 5. You win Goa tour 90 days. And within 90 days, you help 5 people to complete Goa. You qualify for Dubai, Bali. And if you help 5 people to complete Dubai, Bali, within 90 days, you also qualify for Dubai, Dubai and Bali. So there is no time bound tension. 5, 25, 125 and 625. If you create this structure, so then also you will go to Bali or Dubai, wherever will be decided by the company. So what is the future planning of the company? Company is coming with the merchant royalty system. It is already live, but initially when you are not having any network in your city around you, so you will not get any income. So you can, a person who want to become and who want to sell his services or product with Next Money, he can download this application, Next Money Merchant app, free of cost from Google Play, and he or she has to give 10% discount on the product he want to list on this app, and it will be distributed among the customer and the network. In this way, we are having a special training to help you understand what is Next Money Merchant app and how you can gain 1% benefit when you are creating Next Money Merchant all over India. Like this, a merchant will get QR code where people are already using this thing, but it requires a special training. We will cover it later on. They are also upcoming in after a few months. We are also coming up with auto binary system, because as big team you are creating directly, your team will be created in a structure like this automatically. 1 person left, second person right, third person left, fourth person right. Automatically team will be distributed among left and right side in the binary model, but activation will depend on the shopping, on Next Shopping. You can buy any amount of from any amount you can buy from Next Shopping portal, and your ID will be activated. So there is a direct referral of 5%. If somebody is buying 50,000 rupees in your team and he is a direct sponsored by you, you will get 2,500 rupees. Matching daily bonus, matching of the daily is If there is a binary of 1 lakh 1 lakh rupees shopping left right, then you will get 10,000 rupees. 10% matching is there. Leadership bonus, whenever in your team up to 5 level, like I have told you levels in the initial referral program, 5, 25, 125, 625, 3 and 3,125. These all people are buying something, or other than these people, because they can be as many as people, but I've taken this example. So they will buy and they will make money in the binary matching, and you will get 10% of their income. So this is the leadership bonus. Maximum you can make 1 lakh rupees per day is a capping for the binary. So you can take this money to your bank, because it is as equal to your referral commission. So it will be calculated every day at 12 a.m. and in the morning you can take it into your bank. So this is a summary of the benefits, from where you will get binary, where your cashback will be adjusted, where you will get discount points, where your reward points will get adjusted. So this is a summary. You can take the screenshot of this table. So these are some points which you need to do and not to do. You have to find, first of all, sign up free and upgrade to Prime membership. Daily attend 9 a.m. training and 9 p.m. business plan in the evening. You can ask your friends who can understand in Hindi, because this is in Hindi every day. Share a list of 50 people to your sponsor. Learn 2 minutes invitation, how to invite people on webinar and meetings. If you can organize your meetings also, so you can go for it. You can have this PPT from me. Create a WhatsApp broadcast list of Next Money team and promote the line of sponsor achievement and information in team and business related videos and message. Also remind for webinar. Share the plan in shortcut. Spamming other WhatsApp, Facebook groups can lead to your you can lose your account on Facebook and WhatsApp. They can block you if you are going to spam somebody's groups or their timelines. So be careful. You should first talk to them. They should accept your invitation. Then only you should provide them your referral link. Explaining plan on phone without experience and achievement is also bad practice, and you will lose up your client, end up with losing your clients. And ignoring your sponsor message and company events and activities can also lead to loss in business. So be careful. There's certain leadership in the company. That's why we are uh, gaining this, and we are running this business very fast, and we are growing this all over India. You can see the leadership coordination meeting, and this is our Faridabad team, Ludhiana team in Punjab, Jaipur meeting training, Ahmedabad mega training in June, Delhi mega training in June. You can see that so many achievers are there. More than 500 people have attended this event. System of the company. You can simply share your referral link digitally. You can talk to them and you can invite them on webinar. Share your business plan on webinar, daily live, and daily training is there at 9 a.m. and 9 p.m. So thank you, leaders. This is myself and my upline, Hemendra Chaharji from Agra. You can subscribe to our YouTube channel. You can search Ankit Khanna, or there is a link you can see. So for further any queries, there are certain kinds of videos on the YouTube. In this way, you can search it, how to add money in the wallet, how to top up. Just go for it, because time is running out and people are already accepting this business plan, and they are sharing and creating a network very fast. So go for it. Go Crown Diamond. Thank you very much.